Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your country on Netflix. So let's get started right away. First of all, let me just open up netflix.com from my web browser. Now as you can see, there are various shows available, but you might not always find the shows that you want to watch, and the main reason behind this is that the show is not available on your geographical location. So in order to fix this, you will need to use a VPN service. You can use a free VPN as well, such as the free VPN provided by Opera GX browser. For best results, you can try a premium VPN service which will allow you to manually set your location to specific countries. Now after confirming your settings, simply head back to Netflix, just try refreshing, and now you will be able to find much more different shows based on the location that you just selected. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your location on Netflix. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.